They said paying 80% commissions was crazy. They said it wouldn't last. They said it couldn't be sustainable. $6.9 million paid later, and it's still here. Still paying, still growing, still keeping the same compensation plan. Welcome to the Home Business Academy. This is the undisputed heavyweight residual income champion of the world. And today, I'm going to walk you through exactly why. Because if someone has ever been burned by an opportunity before, this conversation matters. If someone is brand new and skeptical, this conversation matters even more. Residual income only works when the foundation lasts. Most don't. Comp plans change, leaders disappear, income vanishes, rules get rewritten after the work is done. The treadmill disguised as a business keeps spinning. Paul Hutchins and Mike Hodge built HBA after being burned themselves. They made over $2 million in home businesses. They also experienced betrayal, broken promises, and disappearing commissions. So they built something different. 3 promises. Never change the comp plan. Never quit on people. Put people first, even when it costs. At one point, a merchant put a 50% hold on funds. Affiliates were owed over $100,000 a month. The founders took out a $250,000 personal loan to ensure affiliates got paid. 3 promises, 0 broken. That's foundation. Now let's talk about the math, because hype fades. Math doesn't. HBA pays 80% commissions from day one. No ranks, no splits, no pass-ups, no quotas, no trapdoors. A $125 premium referral pays $100 per month. A $25 funnel builder referral pays $20 per month. A $10 Let's Go referral pays $8 per month. All 3 equals $128 per month per customer. 2 referrals equals positive cash flow. Not 10, not 20, 2. 24 referrals equals $2,912 net residual income. That's math. That's leverage. That's recurring income, sorry. One member saw commissions increase from $40 to $440 to over $1,000 a week. Another earned over $80,000 since joining. The average affiliate earns $346. Higher income requires work, skill, and commitment. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is a build it once and get paid monthly. Now, this what most people miss. Residual income only works when customer stays. Customers only stay if the product are actually useful. The Let's Go app builds habits, vision, gratitude, and daily focus. The Funnel Builder creates websites and funnels for any business. Premium delivers AI tools and automation for scaling systems, and there are lots of tools to use daily. That's retention, that's stability, that's residual income that compounds. Before HBA, many people were stressed about money, checking bank accounts with anxiety, living for weekends, dreading Mondays. After building residual income, they wake without alarms. They open laptops to commissions that came in overnight. They choose what to do instead of being told what to do. That's the gap. And the gap is closed with leverage. I partnered here because foundation matters. 10 years, same comp plan, same founders, $6.9 million paid, 406,000 plus days of meals provided for children. This is a business someone can be proud of. Start for $35, 80% commissions, profit at 2 referrals, 3-day money back guarantee. This isn't for people looking for shortcuts. This is for people who want stable residual income. If someone wants to build something that lasts, the link is below. Watch the next video, run the numbers, and decide if this is the foundation worth building on.